I've been teasing you for a long time, but it's finally time to upgrade my PC. I'll be taking the PC you know and love and sticking all of this gear in it. We've got the O11D Evo case, which looks amazing. I'm finally upgrading my CPU to this 12th gen i7 and pairing it with this B660A so you can stop complaining I don't have a white motherboard. Lianli also sent out their new Strimmer Plus cables and 9 of the new SL Infinity fans. And finally, I also have some white spray paint to spray my GPU bracket white like the rest of the build. I'll post vids on TikTok and Insta, but the main build will be on YouTube, so make sure you're following all my socials.